Have you ever wondered how ethical hackers identify live hosts in a network? Well, you're not alone. Ethical hacking, often referred to as penetration testing or white hat hacking, is a legitimate and essential practice in the world of cybersecurity. It involves authorized individuals attempting to find and fix potential vulnerabilities in systems before malicious hackers can exploit them. Now, let's talk about live host identification. Imagine a neighborhood filled with houses, some occupied, some vacant. In the digital world, these houses are like devices connected to a network. Live host identification is the process of determining which of these houses or devices are currently occupied or live. This is crucial in ethical hacking as it helps pinpoint where potential vulnerabilities might exist and where defenses need to be strengthened. Understanding how to identify live hosts can greatly enhance your skills as an ethical hacker. Stick around as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of ethical hacking. So, what is live host identification and why is it important? Let's start with the basics. In the realm of ethical hacking, a live host refers to any device connected to a network that is currently active or alive. This could be anything from a personal computer or a server to a smartphone or even a smart fridge. The term host is a general term used to describe devices on a network. Now, why is identifying these live hosts crucial? Well, in the world of ethical hacking, knowledge is power. The more you know about a network and its components, the better prepared you are to test its security. Identifying live hosts is the first step in understanding the network landscape. It's like a treasure map for ethical hackers, giving them a clearer picture of where potential vulnerabilities may lie. Think of it this way. If a network was a city, then live hosts would be the buildings. Some may be houses, some might be skyscrapers, and others could be public facilities. Each building has a different purpose, different security measures, and different potential vulnerabilities. Identifying these buildings, or in our case, live hosts, is fundamental to planning an effective and ethical hacking strategy. Live host identification can be utilized in various scenarios. For instance, in penetration testing, it helps to discover potential points of entry into the network. In network mapping, it allows for the creation of a comprehensive diagram of all active devices. In vulnerability assessment, it aids in pinpointing devices that may be susceptible to attacks. The list goes on, and the importance of live host identification remains constant. To sum it all up, live host identification is the process of finding and listing all active devices on a network. It's a crucial first step in any ethical hacking endeavor, offering invaluable insights into the network structure and potential weaknesses. As you can see, live host identification is a fundamental tool in the arsenal of an ethical hacker. Now that we understand what live host identification is, how do we actually use a tool to identify these live hosts? First, it's important to remember that we're working in the realm of ethical hacking. This means we're using our skills to improve security, not to exploit vulnerabilities for malicious intent. Let's start with the first step. You will need to install a live host identification tool. There are several options available, but for this tutorial, we'll use an open source tool that's widely used in the IT and cybersecurity fields. Just remember, always download tools from reliable sources to avoid any nasty surprises. Once installed, you will need to launch the tool. Usually, it comes with a user-friendly interface that allows for easy navigation. The main screen should provide you with several options. You're looking for the one that says Identify Live Hosts. The next step is to input the range of IP addresses you wish to scan. This could be a single IP address, a range, or even an entire network. Be mindful not to infringe any privacy regulations. Always ensure you have permission to scan the network or IP addresses you're targeting. After entering the IP addresses, you hit Scan. Now, the tool will start its process. This may take a few minutes depending on the range of IP addresses you're scanning. During this time, the tool will send out pings to the IP addresses and wait for responses. Once the scan is complete, the tool will provide a list of live hosts. These are the devices that responded to the pings. This list can provide valuable information about the network you're scanning, such as the number of devices connected and their general location. And that's it. You have now learned how to use a live host identification tool. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Ethical hacking is all about improving security, not exploiting it. Always use these tools responsibly and within the boundaries of the law. Let's recap what we've learned today. We delved into the exciting world of ethical hacking, shining a spotlight on the live host identification tool. This powerful tool serves as a guiding light in the vast landscape of a network, helping us identify active hosts in real time. It's like a compass, pointing us to the live hosts in the network wilderness. We walked through the basics, understanding how this tool functions, and then took a deeper dive into a step-by-step guide on its usage. Remember, while this tool can illuminate the path, it's crucial to tread that path ethically and responsibly. Just like a surgeon wielding a scalpel, an ethical hacker must use the live host identification tool to heal, not harm. It's about enhancing network security, patching vulnerabilities, and strengthening defenses, not exploiting them. So, as you use this tool, remember to always uphold the principles of ethical hacking. Remember, ethical hacking is about enhancing security, not breaching it. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. As you delve deeper into the world of ethical hacking, remember the importance of live host identification. It's a tool that, when used responsibly, can greatly enhance your understanding and proficiency in this field. Now, let's talk about a place where you can continue your learning journey. BP Coding is not just a YouTube channel, it's a platform for curious minds like yours, where we unravel the complex world of coding and ethical hacking. So why wait? Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. But that's not all. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Follow us there for more insights and updates. Behind all this is Bibas Sharma, the program director of BP Coding, who brings his wealth of knowledge and experience to create these informative videos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to BP Coding and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. See you in the next video.